Hi, this is Gina with Lasting Impressions Gifts in Manitic. Thanks for joining us today. We are talking about gift baskets and gift sets. We make awesome gift sets, and they make wonderful gifts, whether it's a host gift, a gift to a family member, a friend, a coworker, employees, as well as clients, and so many other occasions. Anybody that you want to thank for being there for you this year, and someone that you want to remember. We work with all different budgets and themes. You can reach out to us through social media, give us a call, send us an email, and we can put together some wonderful gift sets and gift baskets for you. Or you can handpick the products yourself. You can also make an appointment if you want to meet with our designer, and she can put together the gift for you. As you can see here, there's many different varieties. Some have giftware in them, Christmas napkins, as well as delicious gourmet foods. This one is on a pizza stone. This gift set is on a radiate. This one is a cute one, the Not All Heroes Wear Capes mug. These are available on our website, so you can check them out there. We deliver in Ottawa, or you can pick up, and we also deliver across Canada, so keep that in mind if you're looking to send a gift to someone. This one is lovely because it's in a rustic crate. So once you've taken the items out, the crate is useful. So check them out and reach out to us if you have any questions.